I'm Jeff from Blackdog Speed Shop. Today we're in our clean room taking a look at a LSA Supercharger. We're going to talk about why this is a great performance upgrade for your car, or rat rod, or any other build you plan on doing. So if you listen carefully, you can hear the sound in there. It was a defect that GM put out a recall on. So if we go in a little further, we could actually show you the parts that were the problem. So in order to cause some dampening, GM put this spring in here, which is known to crack and break, which causes your clunk at idle, also wears out the shaft on the end of the supercharger. Come in closer here, you can see where the spring was actually eating up the shaft. So performance upgrade for that. Put a solid coupler in there, gets rid of the spring, gets rid of all your noises. The other thing you want to check is up in here for rotors for coating delamination or any damage, which these look pretty good. You can opt to put new rotors in, send these out, get them recoated. We also recommend putting one of these grip tech pulleys on. Eliminates all your belt slippage, and it's very easy to change different pulley sizes to get more boost or less boost depending on your application. So every blower that gets sent to us, we take apart, inspect thoroughly. There's a couple different options on rebuild process. There's bearings inside of here. If the shaft is worn, the shaft needs to be replaced, bearings pressed out. Also, inside the blower, there is bearings and rotors in here that need to be inspected for any damage, where oil gets replaced, reassembled. So now we're going to take a walk over to the machine shop, use the press, and press the grip tech pulleys on. Alright, so we're back here at the machine shop. We have some special tools that we've made to ensure this process goes smoothly and doesn't cause any damage to your supercharger. And now we will press this on. Over there. Now if you look, you want your hub flush with the shaft, should be good to go. Put pulley on this thing. Now we're going to install our Grip Tech pulley, which now is as easy as just bolting this on instead of having to pull and press the thing off. If you ever want to change more or less boost, all you have to do is undo these screws, change to a different diameter pulley, and it changes what you have. In this particular case, we're doing a 2.55 inch pulley, which will take us from the stock 8 pounds of boost to about 11.5. Torque this down to the manufacturer specifications and we are good to go. Now we'll install our solid coupler. During this process we dry fit everything, make sure it's going to fit right, take it all apart, seal it, torque it all down. One other thing to mention, if you go below, I believe it's a 2.43 inch pulley, you have to clearance the snout here to make room for the pulley, which we could also do. If you want to go a step further than just putting a stock blower on your car, service that we can provide for you is a port and polish job. There's a couple different variances of it. One is they just open up this snout area to where you could put like a 102 millimeter throttle body on it. Also come in here, they'll open up all the runners, smooth all this stuff out, and in the extreme port polish job, there is numbers proven to add an additional 80 horsepower and 60 foot-pounds of torque. So depending on how crazy you want to get, you could add a little more power there that way. And for some glue. This thing's all wrapped up. We're going to get this boxed up, shipped out to our customer. Reach out to us, give us a call. We'd be willing to help you with any of your needs.